What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We are going to review and unbox a Tom Ford credit card holder. Let's do it. Okay, so fresh in the mail today, Tom Ford card holder. Before we do this, I've always used a wallet. Why switch, you ask? Well, for starters, how about this? Are you f***ing kidding me? We've rehearsed this. How about this? How about this? There you go. Three reasons why I'm switching. One, I wanted a card holder. Two, it's probably better for your back because that thing is, although it's not super thick, it's, God. This is just a that's what she said waiting to happen, so I'm just gonna stop talking. Three, I think it's more bond to carry your money in a money clip than in a wallet. So we're going to get a money clip eventually because I don't usually carry much cash. And this card holder. So let's unbox it. Tom Ford, beautiful packaging, as always. Came in the mail today. Got a killer deal on it, by the way. Well, pinstriped. I've had Tom Ford ties and Tom Ford cologne. I've got Tom Ford boots, but they kind of use the same packaging for everything. Then we've got tissue paper. Right there, a little ASMR. My niece will appreciate that. And then we'll remove this tissue paper. I don't know if there's anything on it. It's just black tissue paper. Okay. And then the wallet itself is in a little Tom Ford dust bag. God, you can put so much cool shit in this dust bag. A lot of you guys watching, especially if you know me, I think you're gonna be pretty surprised when you see that this is not black. No, he didn't. He got a brown one. Can you freaking believe that he bought a brown one? Tom Ford, made in Italy. It's got the tag, got the price, and it's got a fake card. What I immediately feel, smells like leather. I don't know what, the last couple of videos I've done leather reviews. So it's got this like little middle insert here, and it kind of opens. I'm gonna actually need to figure out how to use that, if you can see that. That I'm actually surprised by. I don't know what the purpose of that opening would be. Obviously it's not broken, but I guess it would probably just be for cash. But technically you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots. They call this the T line, I believe, because you can see the Tom Ford T in there. But yes, it's a nice brown leather, grain leather, they call it. Not black. As I said, a lot of my friends will be surprised because I think even I'm a little surprised I didn't choose black. But first of all, this is half, if not more than half the weight of this wallet. Second, I don't carry cash much. And third, it's very, very thin. Like the difference is pretty astounding if you really look at it. And I've been kind of having like back issues and neck issues, and it's like going into my arm. So yeah, we're using this from now on. The thing I like about Tom Ford's products, especially their leather goods, is they seem to last very long. Now this is a Tumi wallet, and they actually do something where if there's any damage within the first year, you can replace it. And this is the second one, which I did. I walked right into the store and they gave me one for free. Just had to bring in the receipt. But of course, this is starting to get some fraying and some other things, and I won't get rid of it. The main thing I've noticed with this is you kind of tend to pack more stuff in here because you can. So you're carrying around more things than you need, and that eventually stretches out these pockets. Yeah, that's right. Darth Vader chase card. That's right. You want to know the card number? It's 12, none of your damn business. Anyway, so it stretches out the wallet and then things just fall out like they did earlier, and they're not going to now. Oh, there it goes. Ultra thin, smells fantastic. The leather is very soft, very nice. But the thing I was going to say, their leather products seem to last a long time. And sometimes paying for the luxury stuff kind of actually seems worth it, because I've got several Tom Ford items that have lasted me a very long time, where this one could already be replaced, and I already had to replace it within probably the first 6 months of having it. If somebody wants to comment and tell me what the hell this is for, I'm shocked that it's not like closed. Because I was like, oh, you can, I guess, put a little bit of cash in there, but you still could there. I didn't necessarily plan on using this middle piece, but now that it's like not what I expected, I'm kind of like, what is it for? But yeah, so Tom Ford T-Line card holder, brown, leather, beautiful. That's it. That's the whole video. Not every video is going to be a home run. Not every video is going to be something groundbreaking. Just wanted to review this, unbox it really quick. Wait, let's see what else is in here. The tag, another tag, got another Tom Ford tag. And you know what? It's good to see this type of stuff, because if you haven't purchased anything from Tom Ford, you get to see what it all comes with. What is this? That's an Italian. Tom Ford has selected the finest skins to create your handbag. I should start calling this a handbag. In the case of, oh, okay, so it tells you how to clean and treat. Dust bag is nice. See, I'm one of those people, when it comes to stuff like this, I'll use this for something else. Most likely something when I travel. I'll put something in here, headphones, a watch. It's very soft to put a watch in there. I'll just start cleaning my watch with it, like a real bougie asshole. Thank you guys for watching. I got a lot of good videos coming up. We've got a Breitling review coming down the pipeline, a brand new, to me, Breitling with a great story. We've got 2 more Drink Saban videos coming up. We've got a review on a vintage Omega coming up. And then we're gonna sit down with the founder of SIS Training Gear right here. So stay tuned, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.